Hi guys, welcome to IT Expert again. In today's video, we will learn how to manage emails and use folders in Outlook. In Outlook, you can find an email just like you find things on the web with search. At the top bar center, just start typing what you're looking for in the search box. Searching for North Wind will show emails with the words North Wind in the subject line, message body, sender's name, or even words in Office attachments. When searching, a new tab appears full of ways to refine the search, including a horizontal bar at the top. You can search by sender's name or if the email has attachments. There are many more options, including recent searches. With the drop-down, you can search in the folder you're in or all mailboxes. Just like searching on the web, you might want to type the whole word or use quotation marks to find particular emails. To manage conversations, select a conversation thread, then go to Home and choose Ignore. A menu appears, and the selected conversation and all future messages will be moved to the Deleted Items folder. Click Ignore Conversation to remove the selected conversations. A white check mark will appear inside a bright blue circle to confirm it's done. To clean up your inbox, select an email, then choose Clean Up and Clean Up Conversation from the menu. All redundant messages in the conversation will be moved to the Deleted Items folder. Press Confirm only if you are sure, as cannot be undone. Outlook will clean up redundant messages and keep your thread contained. You can also clean up folders if you need. There you go. Follow us for more and write on the comments if you have any special requests. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell. Thank you.